Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, freeze warning tonight for all of Acadiana. The coldest temperatures going back to January of this year when we had that deep freeze where we saw back-to-back nights in the mid-teens. This one's not going to be as cold. We're going to see temperatures at or below freezing. And the first freeze of the season, which is a couple of weeks early, especially once you get along the I-10 corridor and certainly down to the south where normally the first freeze happens in the first week of December. But give or take a week or two, you're still kind of in the zone. Temperatures tonight getting down to 28 to 32 degrees. Might be a little bit colder in northwestern sections of Acadiana. We'll tell you why in just a bit. But the main impacts, killing sensitive vegetation. If it's not covered, then you're going to have some issues tonight. Pipe precautions, not necessary with this cold air, as it won't be below freezing, but just for a few hours, exception being up towards central Louisiana. But most of us don't have to worry about any pipe issues. And you see the freeze warnings go from southeast Texas all the way into Mississippi and Alabama, where many folks have not seen their first freeze of the year. So with that in mind, chilly temperatures, and we look at the satellite imagery, and I was estimating around midnight for the clouds to clear out in Lafayette, but I poked my head out the door just as we went to news time, and those high clouds have finally eroded just over the station, and that means temperatures are going to drop more smartly because the clouds act as a blanket and keep us from chilling out too quickly. And with light northwest winds, temperatures will drop nicely, a degree or so per hour from here on out. You can see snow off to the north up across portions of Arkansas into Missouri. Winter storm warnings across portions of Illinois, and this whole mess moving eastward as well as we go up toward the northeast. You can see snow advisories all the way up through Pennsylvania. These are warnings and advisories. And then you get into upstate portions of New York and into New England. They are watches, but that's going to change down the line. And south of it, of course, wet. 36 degrees right now in Lafayette, so temperatures are beginning to drop down a degree over the last hour. And as we examine temperatures today, we topped out in the mid-40s, and after a morning start at 39. Now we're starting to chill out nicely, already down to the freezing mark in Alexandria, where temperatures will get down to about 25 or 26 degrees. So on the weather map, not a whole lot going on. Nice and cold tomorrow morning, but we see full sunshine tomorrow, so that's going to make it feel better after a morning start near freezing. At lunchtime, we'll be at 50. We'll top out in the mid-50s, and at drive time, we'll be back down to 50 degrees. And then tomorrow night's going to be the challenging forecast. Good chance of frost tomorrow night, but an upper-level disturbance is going to bring some clouds through the area, so that may hold the temperatures closer to the upper 30s, but I'm going to go for about 36 for tomorrow night, Friday morning. So bottom line, cover the plants tonight and do the same again tomorrow night, and then Friday warming up nicely, getting into the 60s with lots of sunshine, and I think after that we'll be done with the frost and freeze situation. Temperatures tonight dropping down into the mid to upper 20s, 26 to 25 in Alexandria. Might be able to subtract a degree or two off of these numbers in northwestern sections of Acadiana because you have cleared out first. Temperatures right near 30 on the I-10 corridor, give or take a degree, and right now the way the trends are, maybe take a degree, so maybe 29 or 30 your low, but again, not pipe busting cold. And then temperatures upper 20s to near 30, coastal parishes, Franklin, Morgan City being the mildest, right near freezing first thing in the morning because it's going to take several more hours for the clouds to clear out in St. Mary Parish. So a morning start around freezing. Notice there won't be a wind chill. That's the best news. The temperatures in the 30s feel much better without wind as it does right now. And then tomorrow afternoon will favor highs getting close to the mid-50s, and then tomorrow night will favor mid to upper 30s with some frost possible by Friday morning. And then Friday afternoon, temperatures back into the relatively balmy low to mid-60s. So skies clearing across the board. The winds are dying down. Temperatures near freezing, primarily for Lafayette, say 3, 4 o'clock in the morning till about 7 o'clock in the morning. So just a few hours there. Full sunshine back all day long tomorrow. Still a cool day. Normally our high should be around 73 degrees. And just one more time, I want to show this graphic. Can't emphasize it enough because We don't want you to be a news story. Do not use your oven or your burners on your stove for a source of heat. That's how fires get started. That's how we also get fatalities. Make sure if you got a space heater, make sure it's 3 feet away from any objects and foot traffic. Make sure it has the UL label, and make sure it's got a tip over safety switch. That's on the newer models. And never plug your heater into an extension cord. It's got to go right into the wall. So temperatures nice and chilly, and then getting milder as we go into the weekend. Next chance of rain coming along around Wednesday, maybe Thanksgiving as well. We'll have more on that in the days to come. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.